Gardening is a fulfilling journey, connecting us with nature. It allows us to nurture life from tiny seeds to bountiful harvests, creating a sense of accomplishment and peace. And the reward? Fresh, nutritious food that you've grown with your own hands, knowing exactly what went into it. Today, a new approach is gaining popularity: hybrid vegetable gardening. This method combines traditional soil gardening with modern hydroponics. This innovative method marries the best of soil gardening and hydroponics, creating a thriving environment for your plants. It allows you to leverage the strengths of both techniques. Imagine succulent tomatoes from your hydroponic system alongside fragrant herbs rooted in rich soil. That's the magic of hybrid gardening. You get the best of both worlds. This approach allows you to maximize yields, conserve resources, and enjoy a truly diverse harvest. By combining these methods, you can grow a wider variety of plants. Hybrid gardening opens doors for gardeners of all levels, from beginners to experienced growers. It's a versatile method that can be adapted to different skill levels. Whether you have a spacious backyard or a sunny balcony, hybrid gardening can be tailored to your space. It's perfect for urban gardeners with limited space. Join us as we explore the exciting world of hybrid gardening and learn how to create a thriving garden that's kind to the environment and rewarding for you. Discover the joy of growing your own food in a sustainable and innovative way. Hybrid gardening is all about embracing the strengths of both soil and hydroponics. Soil, rich in nutrients and beneficial microbes, provides a natural foundation for plant growth. It offers excellent anchorage for plants and fosters a healthy ecosystem. Hydroponics, on the other hand, uses a nutrient-rich water solution to deliver food directly to plant roots. This method eliminates soil-borne diseases, requires less water, and often leads to faster growth rates. By combining these two approaches, hybrid gardening creates an environment where plants can flourish. You get the stability and natural benefits of soil coupled with the controlled, accelerated growth of hydroponics. Not all plants thrive equally in soil or water. Some vegetables naturally flourish in hydroponic systems, while others prefer the feel of soil beneath their roots. Leafy greens like lettuce, spinach, and kale are perfect candidates for hydroponics. Their shallow roots readily absorb nutrients from the water solution, resulting in rapid, bountiful harvests. Tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers also excel in hydroponic systems, producing high yields with proper care. For soil beds, root vegetables like carrots, radishes, and potatoes are top choices. They enjoy the support and space that soil provides for their root development. Bush beans, zucchini, and herbs also thrive in the natural environment of soil beds. Building your hybrid haven, a step-by-step guide. In this section, we will walk you through the essential steps to create a thriving hybrid garden that combines the best of both soil and hydroponic gardening techniques. Creating your own hybrid garden is an exciting project. It allows you to enjoy the benefits of both traditional soil gardening and modern hydroponic systems, giving you a versatile and efficient way to grow a variety of plants. First, choose the right location. This is crucial for the success of your garden. Walk around your yard and observe different spots to find the perfect area. Select an area that receives at least 6 hours of sunlight daily for optimal plant growth. Sunlight is essential for photosynthesis, which helps your plants grow strong and healthy. Next, decide on the size and type of your hydroponic system. Consider the space you have available and the types of plants you want to grow. Deep water culture and nutrient film technique are popular choices for beginners. These systems are relatively easy to set up and maintain, making them ideal for those new to hydroponics. Construct raised beds for your soil crops using untreated wood or concrete blocks. Raised beds provide better drainage and soil quality, which are essential for healthy plant growth. Ensure good drainage by adding a layer of gravel at the bottom of each bed. This helps prevent waterlogging and root rot. Now connect your systems. Consider using a gravity-fed system where water from your hydroponic setup drains into the soil beds, minimizing water waste and creating a closed-loop system. This not only conserves water but also ensures that your soil plants receive nutrient-rich water, promoting healthier growth. The art of balance. Maintaining your hybrid garden. Maintaining a thriving hybrid garden requires attention to both your hydroponic system and soil beds. Monitor the nutrient solution in your hydroponic system regularly, adjusting the pH balance and nutrient levels as needed. Keep an eye out for algae growth, which can be prevented with proper aeration and light management. For your soil beds, prioritize soil health. Amend the soil with compost or aged manure to provide essential nutrients and improve soil structure. Water deeply and less frequently to encourage strong root development. Practice crop rotation to prevent soil-borne diseases and maintain soil fertility. Reap the rewards, the bounty of hybrid gardening. In this section, we delve into the incredible benefits that hybrid gardening brings to your home and lifestyle. Hybrid gardening offers a multitude of benefits beyond the joy of growing your own food. It combines the best of both hydroponic and traditional soil gardening methods, creating a versatile and efficient system. This sustainable approach conserves water by reusing nutrient solution from the hydroponic system to irrigate soil beds. This not only saves water, but also ensures that your plants receive a balanced mix of nutrients. It reduces reliance on pesticides and herbicides, as hydroponics minimizes pest issues, and organic gardening practices can be employed in soil beds. This means fewer chemicals in your garden and on your food. Hybrid gardening empowers you to maximize your garden's productivity. By combining these methods, you can achieve higher yields and a more diverse range of crops. Enjoy fresh, homegrown vegetables packed with flavor and nutrition. There's nothing quite like the taste of a tomato picked straight from the vine or the crunch of a freshly harvested carrot. Experience the satisfaction of creating a thriving ecosystem where plants thrive. Your garden becomes a sanctuary of growth and abundance, reflecting your hard work and dedication. Embracing hybrid gardening is a step towards a greener future, promoting sustainable food production and fostering a deeper connection with nature. It's a rewarding journey that benefits both you and the environment.